Hey guys, the question you see on the screen appeared in the JEE Mains exam 2025 taken from the afternoon shift of April 8th. If you are a JEE aspirant, make sure you watch the video till the end because I'm not going to solve the question using the conventional approach. Instead, I'm going to explain a simple and a clever method to tackle it. Before solving the question, I would like to let you all know that this is a very weakly framed question. This is a very weakly framed question. Make sure you watch the video till the end because only then you will be able to understand why this question is weakly framed and how can you exploit the weakness of this question to get your answer within a minute. So let us go ahead and solve this question. I'm Abhinav. I've done both my bachelor's and master's in electrical engineering from IIT Kharagpur. So let us dive into the question and solve it. So let us not bother about this matrix at all. So let us start with this particular thing. So we have to find out det of adjoint of 3a. All right. So we have a formula adjoint of m is equals to det of adjoint of m is equals to det m whole power n minus 1 whole square. All right. So if you put m is equal to 3a, you'll get adjoint of 3a is equals to det of 3a whole power n is 3 here, so this will be 2 and 2 square will be 4. So this is simply 3a whole power, det of 3a whole power 4. But det of 3a is equals to 3 cube times det of a. So this is 3 cube times det of a whole power 4. This will be 3 to the power 12 multiplied by det a whole power 4. So this quantity is simply 3 to the power 12 multiplied by det a whole power 4. Now if you observe clearly, so this is what we have to find out. So we have to find out det a. All right. So it is also given in the question that 3 power 12 multiplied by det a whole power 4 is equals to 2 to the power m multiplied by 3 to the power n. If you check this carefully, if you observe this carefully, you will notice that the right hand side does not depend on either p or q. All right. So you can easily conclude that det a does not depend on p or q because we don't have any p or q on the right hand side here. All right. So the safe conclusion that we can make about det a is that it doesn't depend on p and q. So no matter what values you put for p and q, you will get det a as some constant value. So therefore you are free to choose values for p and q. So instead of expanding the complete determinant and finding the value of det a, you can just put p is equal to 0 and q is equal to 0. Then your matrix will be 2 4 6 2 6 12 2 8 20. So you have to find the determinant of this matrix. Even if you expand this and find det a, you will get the same answer. All right. So let us find det a. So let us apply column operations. For C2, let us apply C2 minus C1. So this will be 2 4 6. This will be 0 2 and 6. And similarly for column 3, let us apply C3 minus C1. So this will be 0, this will be 4, this will be 14. All right. Now so let us evaluate the value of the determinant. It is simply 2 multiplied by 14 2s 28 minus 6 4s 24. So this is 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8, which is 2 cube. So det A is simply 2 cube. So even if you expand all of this, you will get det A is equal to 2 cube. So your answer will be 3 to the power 12 multiplied by det A power 4. So 3 to the power 12 multiplied by det A is 2 cube power 4. So 3 to the power 12 multiplied by 2 to the power 12. So your m is equals to 12 and n is equals to 12. So you have to deal with these kind of questions in a very smart way. So the moment you see there are no p's and q's on the right hand side, and this value only depends on det A, you have to realize that the value of det A doesn't depend on p and q. And once you realize this thing, you have to exploit the question by putting the values for p and q, which will make your calculation easy. So yeah, so make sure you use this method whenever you encounter such kind of questions in your future exams. Thank you. If you like the content that I'm making, don't forget to subscribe the channel, share the videos with your friends, and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. I have attached a link to my Telegram channel in the description. Join the channel. We can have some healthy discussions about maths there. Thank you.